Hello guys, right, so if you're new here, please do subscribe, please do leave us a like and a comment, I'll be sure to get back to you. Today we're going to learn this move here, and it is a horizontal aerial into a handle propeller spin. So please stay tuned if you wish to learn. So guys, the first prerequisite to learn the handle horizontal aerial into a handle propeller spin is to learn this horizontal aerial, okay? So first of all, what you need to do, you need to start on your right side. You're going to move this over to your left arm, right? And you're going to almost move this upwards, like it's almost going up a hill, okay? There'll be a moment, okay, as if you do this really quick, do you see how this will keep spinning, all right? When it keeps spinning like that, there'll be a moment where your hand will be up, your palm of your hand will be facing up in the air. All you're going to do then is raise your hand up in the air like so, okay? And that is going to cause the nunchuck to either jump to centre line if you've got quite good control, or over to here if you're learning. So that's the first part of this. See, with handle propeller spin, you only need to learn one side, but I want you to learn both. So you're going like this, and you're coming in for this bounce, and then you're letting it off here, coming in for this bounce, letting it off, until, in slow-mo, you can get it like this. Right, so time for the handle propeller now. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to grab our two fingers here, much like we're doing an eagle. We're going to bring this around our finger and our forefinger until we're grabbing it underneath like so. We're going to keep this very straight. This is our handle propeller. Next of all, once you've managed to master the horizontal aerial, what's going to happen, okay, is you're going to try and get this coming down in centre line, okay? And you're going to count the number of rotations that is happening above, okay? Once you've counted the number of rotations where the nunchuck is here, like this, in the air, you're going to push into it like this, okay? And that's going to naturally cause it to want to wrap, all right? So you're going to let off it, and you're going to bring this out in a very straight manner. Alright, there's a few things that could go wrong with this, and I'm going to show you them now, okay? So once you come in here, if you're going to come in like this, okay, this is not going to work. I probably tried this technique coming in like this quite a few times, you know, before I found out it's pointless trying that, because it's just not working. Same as with this. You need to bring it straight, and you need to make sure that the aerial is coming down in this man here. And when it is, this nunchuck is straight like this, so you can literally rip it out, yeah. So, in slow-mo, the move will look like this. Simple, right? So, I hope this helps you, right? And I'll be back probably tomorrow for another doubles technique. So please subscribe to my channel if this helped you in any way. Please feel free to support my channel, and yeah, see you next week, guys.